Would you like to introduce yourself to a doll in the future? Why not head over to DollShop? They're super affordable, great quality, lots of choices, and most of them are very lightweight. Check them out right now. DollShop has multiple brands to choose from. They are very popular and also very price competitive. Some of you might wonder why there aren't any customization options. Customization ramps up the price, and in this case, when we look at the Dutch doll segment, you will see that all these dolls come pre-configured with the best options available at this time. This is not only convenient for every user who is overstimulated with specific options, but this also eliminates a lot of time and money. This way, you can get your doll fast and still be amazed by the fact that it's a premium doll at a very reduced price. If you would like another discount, then please stick around till the end of the video. I have to add to this video that I am honored to make this video for them, as they are a company in the Netherlands. If you are a European like myself, you will also have the benefit of being free from any customs fee. Let's check out DutchDoll Tiana. She's 159 centimeters tall, is standardly equipped with Evo Plus skeleton, gel breasts, finger skeleton, high quality TPE, standing feet, and an anti-fake code. Make sure that you're on the correct website and check out my review on the bottom of the page. We're going to check out one of their products right now. I just cut open the box. They have a hygiene seal on here. That's the shipping and opening seal regarding the hygiene for if you open it up, then the doll is yours. And let's see, we have your standard boxes, of course. There we go, quite simple, but very effective and nice at the same time. The protection of the doll is very good. The white padding is very thick cloth, which is nice. The feet have been secured very well. And then of course we have the head down here as far as I know. So now what we need to do is completely unbox her. So this is also very cool. There is a specific number on her, which is this one, 158. And then I had to, of course, be careful regarding the YouTube age filter and everything. And yeah, we're just going to check out how everything is regarding the box. We have your standard gloves and your water shower and your neck bolt in there as well, which is pretty cool. So what's also pretty cool is that we get 2 wigs for the price of 1. So that's nice. We have a wig that she has on the picture, which I'll insert now. And then there's this extra wig with a little bit of color, how do you say it, different colors in there as well. And then, like I said, we have the lingerie and some extra stuff in there, the gloves, the water shower. Something else is in there, I've not seen it, any neck bolt. I think this is actually a neck bolt that you can use to pop it in, like the quick release it's called. And then we have the manual, and yeah, it's in Dutch, German, French, and English. So that's pretty cool. And this is how she looks completely dressed. Yeah, really cool. Very light to pick up. Around 29 kilograms, maybe 30, with the clothes and the shoes on and everything. I know that her proportions might look a little bit off, but that's because of the dress. It doesn't really fit her body very well. But yeah, again, very happy with how the TPE feels. It feels a very good quality like. And her face is really cool as well. Her feet are very strong, her legs are very strong. It's also very cool because I absolutely hated that we had dolls back in the day without the finger skeleton. This is so much better, and it feels so much more stronger with these little bones and everything in there, like little knuckles. I really like that a lot. And yeah, it's, you know, the wire. It was very easy to poke through the TPE. This time it's just not, because this is such a better design. I'm very happy that the whole Dutch doll doll group has these articulated fingers, which is really nice. And of course the gel breasts. And again, her face is also really cool. It's clearly the face from the pictures with that same sort of hair, because there's like black stripes or a black growth under there as well. And you know, her face looks nice and it looks like she's smiling, which I think more doll makers should do that, make faces look a little bit more happy. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end. I'm here to say that Drivel Gaming has been partnered up with DollShop to give you an exclusive 10% discount code on all the Dutch doll models on the website. If you want a Dutch doll model like Tiana, go to the website doll.shop, go to the Dutch doll area, and then order your doll and put in the code DWG10 to get a 10% discount. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you Doll.shop for having faith in me to make this video for you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So from me and Tiana, peace.